Samantha and I'm in the city this morning, so I thought I would go and grab brunch. And I'm going to this new spot that just opened up about 3 months ago, I think. It's called Sisters & Co. And it's three best friends who opened up this place together. It looks super cute inside. Their menu looks amazing. They add some like little twists on things. I'm intrigued to see what they have and I'm excited to get some food. So I have the brand new California Benny. It's got some crab on it and some avocado, and it's very nice and light and fresh. It's exactly what you would expect. It's delicious. This is the chicken katsu club sandwich. Crispy panko fried chicken, lettuce, bacon, tomatoes, garlic aioli on milk bread. It's so light, really well put together. There's like a little twist on a classic BLT. It's really yummy. The panko adds such a nice crunch. Super good. Nothing better than dessert for breakfast, you know? Oh god. That is so citrusy, but like, so good. You know what it tastes like? Creamsicle. Literally a creamsicle. All right, guys, I just finished my brunch and my soul is satisfied. It was absolutely delicious. Everything I expected. Super cute inside. I gotta make sure I don't get hit by a car right now. Brunch was amazing, as expected. Food was so good. They added their own little twists to everything. The interior was just aesthetically perfect, which is, I know it's kind of odd, but it's something I look for. I love that stuff. And now we're gonna walk it off.